Welcome back to the channel where we explore the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering and performance. Today we are turning our attention to a machine that has just rewritten the rules for the Lotus brand, specifically for the Australian market. Lotus has always been synonymous with lightweight agility and driver connection, but their latest creation takes things to a whole new level of aggression and power. Introducing the 2026 Lotus Emira Turbo Bathurst Edition, a track-focused beast that doesn't actually come from the brand's headquarters in Hethel, England. Instead, this remarkable evolution was developed by the official Australian distributor, Simply Sports Cars, to celebrate the legendary Mount Panorama circuit and its grueling Bathurst events. This is not just a cosmetic package, it is the most powerful internal combustion engine Lotus Emira ever produced, and it is strictly limited to just 15 lucky owners. The heart of this monster is the familiar Mercedes-AMG-sourced 2.0-liter turbocharged M139 four-cylinder engine, but Simply Sports Cars decided that the factory output simply wasn't enough for the mountain. In its standard form, the Emira Turbo is already a potent sports car, but for the Bathurst edition, the engineers have retuned the power plant to deliver a staggering 503 horsepower, or 375 kilowatts. This is a massive jump of over 100 horsepower compared to the standard four-cylinder model, and even eclipses the output of the supercharged V6 variant. The torque has also seen a substantial increase, now sitting at 600 Newton-meters, ensuring that this mid-engine coupe has the muscle to tackle the steep climbs and high-speed straights of the iconic Australian track. While official performance figures like the 0 to 100 km/h sprint haven't been finalized, it is safe to assume it will comfortably beat the 4-second mark. Power is nothing without control, especially when you are dealing with a circuit as unforgiving as Bathurst. To handle the extra grunt, the Bathurst edition receives a comprehensive chassis overhaul. The standard suspension setup has been swapped out for professional-grade 3-way adjustable dampers, allowing drivers to fine-tune their ride for specific track conditions or personal preference. The car also features revised wheel alignment settings and a lower ride height for a sharper, more responsive front end.
Stopping power is equally impressive, utilizing 4-piston AP racing calipers that bite down on 2-piece ventilated rotors at all 4 corners. To ensure all that power reaches the tarmac, the car comes standard with ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, though enthusiasts can opt for Yokohama A052 rubber if they prefer an even more aggressive grip profile. Visually, the Lotus Emira Turbo Bathurst Edition looks like it just rolled off the starting grid of a GT4 race. The most striking addition is the massive fixed rear wing with a swan neck design, providing significant downforce to keep the rear end planted through high-speed corners. At the front, a new carbon fiber splitter helps balance the aero, while a unique racing livery and Bathurst graphics along the sides and rear signal to everyone that this is no ordinary Emira. Inside the cabin, the driver is greeted by a vehicle-specific build plaque, reminding them of the exclusivity of their machine. Despite the hardcore track upgrades, it retains the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering lightning-fast shifts that keep the engine in its sweet spot. Exclusivity comes at a price, and the Bathurst edition is positioned at the top of the Emira range, with a price tag of $249,990 Australian dollars. This represents a significant premium over the standard models, but it includes more than just the car. Buyers also receive entry into the 2027 Lotus Bathurst Track Day, allowing them to truly experience what their 500-horsepower machine can do on the circuit that inspired its name. With only 15 units being produced and the first one already sold, this car is destined to become a highly sought-after collector's item. It represents the ultimate expression of the Emira's potential, blending German engineering, British design, and Australian racing spirit into one incredible package. As we move toward an era of electrification, the Emira Turbo Bathurst Edition serves as a high-octane farewell to the pure internal combustion engine sports car. It is a reminder of why we love driving: the sound of a turbocharged engine at full chat, the physical sensation of high-speed cornering, and the precision of a perfectly tuned chassis. Simply Sports Cars has taken a great car and made it legendary, creating a tribute to Mount Panorama that will be remembered for years to come.
If you have the means and the passion for track driving, there are few cars on the market today that offer this level of performance and exclusivity. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world's most powerful Emira. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive automotive content.